What happened?
For the 2015 code book that you said was available down the street, is that
All right, section 4 is the base of the whole code book. So keep this window in your head open for the next 1 hour. Section 4 has lots of tables to be aware of. So, are you guys with me on this page? Ready? We are going to review first 4 tables, come back to section 4 and we will highlight where it says what table you would use for what application. Okay? So I need you to go to table 1 with me. I actually need you to go to page 299 first of your code book. Page 299 tells you, it's actually a table that tells you what tables are in the code book. It's literally an index for all the tables. So in your exam, if you're lost and you're like, oh, she showed me a table but I can't seem to pick and find the rules, come here. This will help you understand or quickly find the table we are looking for. Okay? What we are going to do now, learn the first 4 tables. That's our plan for the next 15 minutes. Okay? I need you to go to the first table, which is table 1. Highlight the word copper and highlight the word free air. When you are putting copper wires in free air, let's say your conductors are all 90 degrees C rated, how do you find ampacity? From this chart. Take an example. Let's say you're putting a number 6 wire, okay, and they're all rated for 90 degrees C in free air, means without a conduit, up in free air, okay, they can carry, each wire is able to carry 105 amps. If the conductor was 60 degrees C rated, the ampacity is 80 amps. If the conductor was 75 degrees C rated, the ampacity is 95 amps, and so forth. You're clear? Exam question. I am installing a number 6 wire in free air. It's copper. What's my ampacity? As simple as that. Your answer is 105 amps. What if the examiner said, I am installing a copper wire in a conduit. It's number 6 wire, 90 degrees C rated. The moment he says any kind of raceway, you go to table 2 for copper. So highlight the word that says copper in a raceway or cable. These keywords. If it's installed in free air, we go to table 1. If it's installed in a conduit, we go to table 2. Okay? Same question. If he said, I am installing a number 6 wire, which is right here, in a 90 column, because the examiner clearly said that the conductor is rated for 90 degrees C, ampacity of that wire is 75 amps. Stay with me on the chart or on the screen. We're good? What if he said the word that I have 20 wires, all number 6, 90 degrees C rated, copper in a raceway. This table is only good up to 3 wires. If I have more than 3 wires, I go to table 5C for derating, right there. Now go to table 5C, look for the derating factor for 20 wires, give me my answer.
Multiply by 0.7.
0.7. 0.7 for 20 wires. Multiply 75 times 0.7. 52.5 amps is my answer then. What I just did is, imagine you are putting all these wires which are good for 75 amps together in an enclosed area which is a conduit. Every wire is now getting heated up because it is carrying some kind of amps. So because it's an enclosed atmosphere, each cable is not even capable of doing 75 amps anymore. It's able to withstand now 52 because of enclosed area and heat around it. If these cables, 20 of them were outside in free air, you would not use any derating factors. Your answer will still be based on just table 1. No deratings are needed when conductors are up in free air. But the moment conductors are in a raceway, because they're all tied together in the same path, they cannot carry the same ampacity as the charts. You have to derate that. Good? Same story.
Just to confirm, a raceway or conduit doesn't include like a rubber insulator, correct?
Rubber insulator for the wire, you
Yeah.
mean? If they are in any kind of path, together with bunch of wires, you gotta derate them.
Okay.
No matter what kind of path. Any raceway is actually a path. It could be a cable tray or any kind of conduit, any kind of cable where a bunch of conductors are put together, you gotta derate them.
Okay.
Okay? Now, what if the story was for aluminum rather than copper? I will go to table 3. I am using aluminum wires, so highlight the word aluminum in free air on this chart. Okay? I am installing a number 4 wire, for example. The question said, and the conductor is 90 degree C rated. The answer to that question will be 115 amps. He might say that I have 5 wires or 50 wires or 100 wires. Your answer will still be 115 amps. Okay? What if they were in some kind of raceway like a conduit? You go to table 4 for aluminum. So number 4 wire in a raceway is only capable of carrying 75 amps if it's 90 degree C rated. What if you had more than 3 wires? Let's say you had 20 wires. Then you go to table 5C. As you guys see on my book, I have written down plus table 5C. You should write this down because that's allowed. Any reference of one table with another in the book allowed. Formula is not allowed. So this keyword is important, not more than 3 wires. Are we cool? Now I need you to go to your binder and practice few questions so that you understand these tables. Question number 11, I'll give you guys 60 seconds, find the answer. Question 11 in your content